Resetting your phone without losing data.
Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that frequently pops up among smartphone users. Is it possible to reset a phone without losing data? The short answer is yes, it's possible, but how exactly? Let's get into that.
What does resetting a phone mean?
Resetting a phone usually implies returning it to the state it was in when you first bought it. It's often used to troubleshoot problematic behavior, to prepare the phone for a new user, or to resolve any software glitches. The process of resetting typically involves erasing all the data and settings on your phone, which understandably might make you nervous. But don't worry, there's a workaround to prevent data loss.
How to back up your data before resetting.
Before you even think about resetting your phone, it's crucial to back up all your data. Both iOS and Android have built-in features that allow you to back up almost everything, from your contacts and photos to app data. On an iPhone, you can use iCloud to create a backup. Head to your settings, tap on your Apple ID, select iCloud, and finally, choose iCloud Backup. From there, select Backup Now. For Android users, Google Drive is your friend. Navigate to your phone settings, find System, then Backup. Ensure the backup to Google Drive is enabled and tap Backup Now. These processes will ensure that all your essential data is safely stored in the cloud and can be restored after the reset.
How to reset your phone.
Now that your data is safely backed up, it's time to reset your phone. On an iPhone, go to Settings, General, Reset. From there, you can choose Erase All Content and Settings. On an Android device, the exact path might differ slightly depending on the manufacturer, but generally, you can find it under Settings, System, Reset Options, Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Remember, this process will wipe your phone clean, so ensure you've backed up everything you need before proceeding.
How to restore your data after reset.
After resetting your phone, it's time to bring back your data. iPhone users will see a Hello screen after the phone restarts. Follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the Apps and Data screen. Here, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Android users, after the reset, should follow the initial setup. When the option appears, select Restore from Google Drive Backup. Wait for the restoration process to complete, and you'll have your phone just like before, but reset and refreshed. And there you have it. Resetting your phone without losing data is not only possible but relatively easy when you know the steps to take. So, whether you're trying to fix a glitch or preparing your phone for a new owner, you can do so confidently, without fear of data loss. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.